Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 7 Inn. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Super 7 Inn is just 10 minutes drive from the Memphis International Airport. Free Wi-Fi is available in each room of this Memphis hotel as well as a flat-screen TV for added entertainment. A microwave, refrigerator and ironing facilities are also provided in all rooms. Laundry facilities is available for all guests of the Memphis Super 7 Inn. This hotel also offers free parking and a 24-hour reception to answer all guest questions. This property is less than 7 miles from Memphis City Center and Beale Street. Graceland, home of the king, is only 1 mile away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.